Hello everyone, welcome to RocketX. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy ETH with lowest gas fee and platform fee using RocketX. I'm also going to compare it with Orion Protocol, and I'm going to show you what are the number of tokens you'll be receiving on RocketX versus what are the number of tokens you'll be receiving on Orion Protocol. I'm also going to show the overall fee and the gas fee associated with this particular transaction on Orion Protocol as well as RocketX. So please make sure that you watch this video till the end. As a first step, you'll be navigating to www.RocketX.exchange. And this is what you'll find there, an easy to use interface where you can trade more than 350 tokens and coins. In the next step, you'll be connecting your wallet. You can simply click on Connect Wallet and select either MetaMask or Wallet Connect for mobile. In this case, I'll be choosing MetaMask. Once that is done, you can start trading your tokens now. Here, you can select the source network. Let's say it is Ethereum. Here, you can select the token that you want to swap. You can search for the token you want. I'll be selecting USDC because it's a stable coin. And here you can select the token that you want to swap to. So I'll be choosing Ethereum. The destination network remains Ethereum. You're trying to do a swap operation. Now you can enter the values here. Let's say you want to swap 500 USDC to ETH on the Ethereum network using RocketX. Now it will automatically fetch the values for you. I'll zoom in a bit. You can see that you're receiving 0.1654 ETH excluding the fee for your 500 USDC. You can also see that the overall fee associated with this particular transaction is just above $20 US. Now remember that this is not the final fee you'll end up paying. There is a gas fee associated with this transaction, of course. You'll get to know about the gas fee once you read the disclaimer and once you click on swap. Now, once you click on swap, a MetaMask notification will pop up showing you the gas fee associated with this particular transaction. Now, remember that the gas fee would be somewhere between 10 USD to 15 USD. In the best case, let's assume that it's 10 USD. So on RocketX, you'll end up paying 21 USD plus 10 USD, that is 31 USD as gas fee plus the platform fee. Now let's compare the same scenario with Orion Protocol and see which platform is giving you more number of ETH tokens and which platform is charging lesser gas fee. Now we are on the Orion Terminal. Let's try the same scenario that we have just done on RocketX on Orion. So I've connected the wallet and I've chosen Ethereum as a network. I'll be trying to swap 500 USDC to ETH on the Ethereum network using Orion Terminal. You can see that I'm only receiving 0.0904 ETH with my 500 USDC on Orion Terminal. Whereas on RocketX, you'll be receiving 0.1654 ETH coins with your 500 USDC. So you can say that RocketX is a clear winner when it comes to receiving more number of tokens for this particular transaction. Now let's see what is the gas fee and the platform fee on both the platforms. You've seen that the gas fee plus the platform fee on RocketX is just above $31 US. But on Orion Protocol, you need to understand that you need to allow Orion Protocol to use your USDC first. Now think as this is the first step. For this first step, you'll be charged at least 15 to 20 US dollars. Let's assume that it's 15 US dollars for the gas fee. Now you also have a total fee that is there for this particular transaction, and that is 0.0134 ETH. Let's see how much it is. So you can see that it's 40.85 US dollars. So the total fee on Orion is 40.85, and for the first step, the gas fee is 15. You'll be charged 55 US dollars for this particular transaction to get completed on Orion, whereas on RocketX, you'll be charged just above 31 US dollars. This way, you're receiving more number of tokens on RocketX, as well as you're being charged lesser gas fee and platform fee on RocketX. So what are you waiting for? Start trading your tokens now using RocketX.